where true self takes flight. A melody flows, embracing the light. From stillness within to harmonies bright, they guide us to freedom with intuitive mind, unleashing past shadows on currents so free. In sound and in silence, our true selves decree. We are pure, we are absolutists, and what unites us, energy beyond matter. We are pure, we are absolutists. Our vibrant essence forever will scatter. Where wilderness whispers and ancient paths gleam, with vibrations of healing fulfilling a dream. To nature's deep wisdom, a spiritual guide, in rhythmic immersion where true selves abide, reconnecting our spirits to Earth's primal call, through wildness and music, embracing us all. We are pure, we are absolutists, and what unites us, energy beyond matter. We are pure, we are absolutists. Our vibrant essence forever will scatter. From nature's so colors, a sanctuary we find. At instant stop solu, where all hearts and minds bind, connecting our spaces to the living's embrace.